welcome back to my channel. It's Zara here. Today I'm going to be making some corn dogs. So I'm going to be needing a piece of bread, a Vienna, and some tomato sauce, and some breadcrumbs, and some whisked eggs, and a rolling pin, and a butter knife, and a normal knife, and a skewer. So first step is I'm going to cut my bread up like this. Like that. When that's done, you're going to have a piece of bread like that. And then when that's done, I'm going to take some tomato sauce. I'm going to take my rolling pin and I'm just going to roll my piece of bread. So now, when you're done rolling the corn dogs, the bread, then you're going to take some of your tomato sauce. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take it to your bread, and then you're going to just smooth it out so it can go everywhere onto the bread. Next step is you're gonna take your Vienna and then you're just gonna roll it into the bread. You're gonna roll it on the bread. And then when you're done, you're just gonna take your egg, and you're just gonna smooth it, roll it onto the egg. When that's done, and then you're going to take your breadcrumbs and then roll it and then you're going to fry it. And then now my mom is going to fry it because I'm not allowed. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Once it's done, it will look like this.
And you take your skewer?
And then you're going to take your skewer and then you're just going to poke it through here.
Go down the center.
Down the center, you're going to do it.
Push it. Right.
And once it's done, it will look like this. And then you're going to eat it.
Yum, yum,
yummy. And thank you. Bye.